Yep.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Coti.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Coti. It's going to be an update video, and as you know, this is not financial advice. We'll just be going through what we think about Coti and what is potentially going to be happening next.
So as you can see from the market cap and from the price, it has a very small market cap, and I've always said this from the beginning of this year. Me and Hamza have both been saying this. This is a low cap gem for sure. This will be very high one day, like for sure. Coti and Orn as well. I know this video doesn't have Orn in the title, but I was just briefly mentioning Orn now. Orion Protocol. That's Coti's like partner. That will be going, in my opinion, price analysis would be $100, just because of how unique Orn is. And then we have Coti as well, which is the finance like side of it, which does the banking. So they have their own Visa card, if you've seen that. Um, they just fit so perfectly together. And if you've seen recently, uh, it was this week. Yeah, this was about what? It was like 1 a.m. for me, and I remember just checking my portfolio, and it was up like 60-70% from just Coti alone. And as you can see, it hasn't even like it hasn't even gone back down at all, really. It's still so high for where it was. It was at 30 cents, and now it's at 37 cents. It's still a big gain, and for this kind of market cap as well. But also, what happened with Coti is that it was launched on Coinbase Pro, um, and that's why it had this big jump. And then when it was launched onto Coinbase Pro, a big whale then bought up Coti. He obviously sees the potential. Maybe he knows something that the general public do not know about Coti, so that could be an incentive to buy in. Um, but Coti is definitely, and Orion Protocol, I can't stress this enough, it is definitely one to be looking at to put in your portfolio, not financial advice, of course.
As Louis said, Coti is literally one of them gems that you just got to do your own research and see why it is purchased, why it was launched on Coinbase Pro, and what is the future for Coti. So you got to understand what is going to be happening next.
Yeah, exactly. And now that it's been launched on Coinbase, Coinbase do not launch shitcoins unless it's, of course, we have the Dogecoin. But Coinbase, they are very careful with who they launch onto Coinbase. Um, so the fact Coti is here, it shows very good things. That one, it's trusted, especially by Coinbase. Um, so and because it's on Coinbase, therefore more people will be able to buy it. Therefore, it'll be higher in price. It will be more trusted. It's all very good things happening with Coti right now.
As we know, Coti finally got listed 2 days ago on Coinbase. So as you know, the price now is slowly dumping because after a coin gets listed, the coin pumps and it just has a small minor correction before it continues to surge up in prices. So don't worry if you've held onto your Coti and you've seen it dump a little bit. This is just short-term price correction, and if you're here for the long run, you shouldn't really worry about these kind of short-term price corrections because at the end of the day, Coti is a very good coin, and you shouldn't really be worried about if you've done your own research.
Exactly. If anything, you should just be buying more after this because now you know it's been launched on Coinbase. It's dropped down a lot more. This is what it's dropped down from 45 to 37, so that's an 8 cent gain you could be having there if it went back up if you are buying again now. And in the long term, of course, it'll be way higher than that. It'll be at $1 plus, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I'll just see at the end of the year. If people are saying, Michael Saylor, Raoul Paul are saying Ethereum could reach 45k US dollars by the end of the year. If that's possible, and if Bitcoin reaches 150 to 250k, if that happens, then Coti will easily be $1.50, $2, $2.50. Around this price range, I can easily see the market cap going to around 1 billion plus dollars by the end of the year. And also, we've got to remember the circulation as well. We're only 43% released. We still have another 57% of the circulating supply to be released. Total supply, sorry. We still have 1.2 trillion coins to be released into the public. So there'll be a lot more to buy up. Therefore, the price will be going slightly more down because as these get released. But in the long term of things, it is a very good view. As you know, you can obviously get it on Coinbase now, and that's already the second large. Yeah, it's already the second largest in volume for Coti, which is pretty cool. And obviously Binance is number one. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and press that subscribe button. It really helps out in the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.